This is a 2008 Jaguar XJ. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults, a 4.2-liter V8, plus having just come off lease, this Jaguar is in like-new condition. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, front and rear heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.